The Libyan situation is obviously catastrophic and a very difficult situation. The ultimate trigger for it is an extreme storm in the Mediterranean that many are linking to global warming. Of course, the catastrophe of the dam collapse is due to long periods of mismanagement and the fact that the Libyan state is not working very well. But it wouldn't have happened without the extreme rainfall which is coming from global warming events. It shows that climate change is going to create a lot of very difficult situations, directly or indirectly, and it really just reinforces the fact that the international community needs to get its act together to provide support for vulnerable countries